up, guys? It's Yellow Brick Bouillon. I am doing a top 10 list of my favorite Lego sets to build. And this is number 7, and what a number 7 it is. This is Bowser's Castle Boss Battle. It's a pretty big piece with over 1,000 pieces. And it's basically the boss's castle. We have Bowser on the drawbridge. This is so cool. It's like an underground level for the Mario. And when you combine Legos and Mario, you know it's going to be epic. There's a skeleton Koopa over there. There's a coin box that you can hit. Go ahead and turn it around and look at that. Mario, Bowser. This is probably my favorite. Yeah, it is my favorite of the Mario sets. Look at that. That's a lot of fun. Even if you've not got into Legos before, you probably grew up playing Super Mario Bros. And this will be an afternoon of building that will bring back some memories. So go ahead and pick this up. Bowser's Battle Castle. Go over to signing off.